Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is Thursday, September the 5th, 2019. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. Today we will be taking a look at IYR. This is the US real estate ETF, and probably not many of you are trading it, but this is one of the ETF, obviously, that tell us the health of the property market, all right, in the US. Now, we can see right here, this is a 45 minutes chart. We're gonna take a look at the larger degree as well in a bit, but here we have the count here is calling for a 5 waves move, all right, that will end the wave 1, and then after that we can get a pullback. So this rally starts from the August. You can see from the August 6 here. This is the 1 and 2, the same 1 and 2 that you see here. There is a flat in between, so this is your 1, so we got an ABC here. Okay, so so that's what we are looking at. We are looking at the a 5 waves move on the upside, and if this is the connector from the August 6, right, you can see that you can simply just measure the extension here, and you will see that we got a 100% target on the upside towards 96.4, right? 96.4 is going to be the target on the upside, and you can see that the arrow is green. That indicates that we do not like selling it, and we do like to still be on the long side in this instrument here. Now, this in a way is also indicative of the overall stock market, so to speak, because it is one market after all, and that's one thing that we do in Elliott Wave Forecast is we look at the overall market. We look at more than 70 instruments every single day, right? And to determine which gives us the clearest sort of path and the clearest structure for us to understand where the whole market is going. So the idea that this cycle that starts from August 6 remains in place and incomplete suggests that overall, in the shorter cycle at least, possibility is that we will see for the upside, all right, in the stock market overall, right? Overall. And until we finish this cycle here from August 6, then we can continue to see sideways to higher market here. Okay, and from the IYR itself, again, we do like more upside to finish this 5 waves, and at the least we should be looking for a target towards around 96.4. okay, so that's what we are looking at. Now in the larger degree here, what is interesting here is if you take a look at the weekly chart of the IYR, we are very close to breaking to new all-time high. In other words, the property price has already surpassed the pre-crisis period, the 2007, right? So this is the financial crisis, and then the money printing. Now we are retesting that high and about to take it out. All right, and that suggests that we are very close. I mean, it's only just a few cents. I think the high in 2007 is 95, right? So only one, like a 90 cents before we break out to new all-time high. So eventually when we go to the 96, eventually we're gonna break above this previous peak. All right, and that suggests that we do have a bullish market, right? I mean, there's no doubt about it. Now you can also measure it this way. Let's say you start from 0, all right? So if you measure this, and let me make sure I start from 0 here. So technically, if it breaks above that 2007, right? If it breaks above here, so technically you can you can assume this entire structure is some sort of perhaps perhaps an ABC zigzag, right? Perhaps an ABC zigzag. Um, if not 1, 2, 3, then ABC, right? ABC is a more sort of conservative way to measure, and we can in fact go all the way to 115, which is the 100% extension, right? And the fact that we are close to breaking above here suggests that likely we are going to do it, right? Likely we are going to do it. Hard to see that suddenly we're gonna collapse like this, right? So I think most likely we're gonna break above it, especially in the shorter cycle. Also is incomplete right now. So once we break above it, that suggests this instrument is actually bullish, right? It's actually bullish, and we can continue to see further upside in the coming months, all right, until we reach 115. Okay, and if this is going to continue higher, let's say, it's also hard to see how the indices, the world indices is going to collapse, for example, right? It's hard to see. So that's the idea on the IYR, right? In the shorter cycle as well as the larger degree. I hope that this is useful, and if you like this video, please subscribe and also like our channel. And also I'm going to provide you with the link to try our service. We have 14 days free trial as well as 50% discount for the end of summer promotion, and the link is all provided in the description of the video below. So see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.